Hi guys, today I will review my new display case for my most expensive car in my collection. Okay, I just received this display case from the courier company. Okay, enjoy my review. Okay, this is all the part for the display case. Consists of 7 part: the top, the side, the front, the rear, and the black one is the base. Okay, this is actually a clear plastic. It cover with tinted or sticker to prevent the plastic from scratches. You all know that plastic easily can easily scratch. Okay, but to remove the sticker, it's actually quite hard. Okay, this already peel off the sticker. Okay, actually quite hard. Okay, now we'll peel off the sticker. Okay, you can see that quite clear plastic. Okay, only the base, not a clear plastic. Okay, we peel off the sticker. Only one side peel off, quite shining. The other side to put at the bottom and to protect the plastic. No need to peel off the sticker. Quite nice. Finally, all part already removed the sticker. All quite nice. Got some crack here and crack here. All already peel off the sticker. For me, overall, this is a quite nice display case. If you want to display your diecast and you are on a tight budget, you can get this display case made from plastic. Because the display case made from glass is actually actually the price is higher than this plastic display case. Okay, everything is quite nice and everything is quite clear. We all can see the car inside the display case. For the base, there is no hole to screw your car to prevent it rolling front and back. Okay, you can modify the display, make a hole or put double tape below the tire. Okay, for me it I will give 4 to 5 star. Okay, thank you.